What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Another pickup video, you guys. Figured I'd show you guys them all since I'm already doing a pickup. I was here last week though, so yeah, we're gonna have to get creative on not showing you the exact same stuff. But yeah, I am here to pick up my Fire Red 4s. Like, yeah, let's go see what's up. We are here for my second pickup. Let's go pick up these Fire Red 5s. Let's go pick up these Fire Red 4s, you guys. I wonder if there's gonna be anything different from last week. We were here last week, so I wonder. We're gonna do something different. Start at Kids Foot Locker. Let's see what's going on in here. After the VIP line, it opens up. Kid sneakers, crazy sales, you guys, because kids aren't really going out and stuff. So yeah, sales have been nuts. Start with these Air Max 1s. We have seen these, but I haven't seen them on sale like this. Maybe I've only seen the grown-up ones. I don't know. But yeah, $70. These normally go for $110 a day. Got these Air Max 90s as well. All leather. A little bright though. Dang, dude, these are fire, dude. The Olympic colorway. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you though. The Olympic colorway. These are just super dope. This is what Pippen wore in the Olympics in '96. Man, that was the Atlanta Olympics. Damn, I can't believe it. These are normally $130 down on sale. The grown-up ones you can't find. The men's sizes you definitely can't find those things. Got these on sale. They're all right. Zoom Free 2s on sale for that much. Wow. That one is the white cement colorway. This colorway is also on sale. Dang, dude. Normally $100, 50% off. Dude, got the Zoom Freak ones also on sale, even more. Then the Employee of the Month colorway, dude. Man, for the women who watch, this is like freaking super cheap. A lot of women can wear GS size. That's dope. These are hella fire. $50, wow. Another colorway of the LeBrons. Have we seen them for this cheap? No, they've been on sale. But man, that's crazy. That's crazy. They got the Kyries, more Kyries. Then the LeBrons, dude. The LeBron 7 Christmas colorway. Man, that's insane. $40. Wow. Got a few Air Max on sale. This is pretty cool. Never seen this colorway. No, I just tried the flash. I thought the entire bottom was like 3M, but no, it's not. It's not. But it is super dope. The price a little bit high. These are a little bit better. By better, I mean the price. The colorway, I kind of like that one, but the price on that's nice. Then look at these. Look at these. These are hella cheap. Oh my goodness. $100 off. Almost $95. Dang. We got some 98s on sale. Not too bad. The colors a little bit everywhere, in my opinion. The Air Max Plus, I'm sure a lot of kids will like this, right? Just colors are everywhere, dude. And then a USA colorway or Clippers colorway, $59.99 today. Then we got our share of 270 Reacts, plenty of those. And like they get cheaper and cheaper. And they even got some for $30, man. That's just crazy. They do have an Adidas section in the back, just killing it with deals and steals, man. Dude got some NNDs. I know a lot of people have been hating on these, but this is a part of the ones of the different countries, man. This is cool. This is a Germany pack, it looks like. German flag, and then also says Munich right there. This, I believe, is the Chinese. Oh, it's the Japanese one? Okay. There's Chinese writing and Japanese on it. Okay. Damn, that's cool. Ultra Boost on sale. $50 for Ultra Boost, normally $160. Then they even got the Ultra Boost 20s. That's like a little bright, but that's pretty dope. Dude got the Dawn Issue 2s, the Crayola pack. I think they got all 4 colors, okay. This is the Strawberry Jam colorway. And then Sky Blue. Sky Blue, that's kind of cool. These are all going for $85. Dude got the Issue 1s. Look at this, man. Dang, dude, if your kids like to play hoops outdoors, that's awesome. And then here's the basketball shoe of the day. Look at this. The basketball sneaker deal of the day. Dang, freaking $20. $20 for kids Dawn Issue 1s. Wow. All right, that's a good start, man. Got a lot of good stuff in the GS colorway. Let's go check out the next spots. I almost missed out on this. Look, they got a little Nike basketball record here. We saw some of these, but the hybrids were not up there. A couple different colorways of the hybrids on sale big time. Kyrie 6 lows, It's just the USA colorway. And then we do have a couple of LeBrons that we didn't see over there. Yeah, these are kids exclusive. I don't know the colorways, but these are the kids exclusive. Pretty cool, 50 bucks. Because the normal price is $160, so damn, that's what's up. Started off really strong. Let's see what's up at the Shoe Palace. Apparently there's a line. Let me get my buddy. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Another alright, I did cover New Balance last time, but let's cover these again because I do see a lot of sales tags here. Don't know how much they normally cost, but let's take a look. I don't know what model. I swear I think I saw these last time and I didn't know what model they were, but they're the New Balance. I don't know, it does say Fresh from Rose. But yeah, these are going for $40. I don't know what model. If you guys know what the model, let me know, because I don't know what the model is on these. These are the X Racers, going for $65. Looks like it's on sale. 574s. These are going for $40. I don't know the original price, but this has all kinds of suede up in this bad boy. Dang, dude. These are dope. This has a little less suede. It does have nylon, but it does have suede on it. Those guys are like red shoes. I love these. These have like the dope classic look, going for $40. Okay. These are going for $70. It does have nubuck on it. Pretty dope. $70 seems pretty reasonable. I don't know. I feel like we could find some comparable ones cheaper, but $70 not too bad. Do have multiple colorways. This one is not nubuck. It is suede. Man, I love that color right there. And then do have a red one. These are all $70. This is similar to that one. Does have the nubuck on it. 997H. Going for $20. Not a huge fan of these, but for $20, that's just hella cheap. $45 for these. These are the 997H as well. Yeah, these are $45 as well. Oh, I'm all wasting your guys' time. It's the same thing, dude. Do got some more X Racers. I guess these are for running. $45 for these. So these are going for, looks like regular price, $80. And then we got the buddy over there, the sibling, going for $40. So okay, these are on sale. Okay, these are pretty dope. Going for $35 though, but that's pretty dope. You get to rep LA and rep Nike. We have already seen the adults here, so let's go check out the kids. Let's focus on kids today. All right, these I think normally go for 100 in the GS sizes. These are going for 60. Those going for 60 as well. All right, these Air Max 98, the all black ones are going for $80. I kind of like the all black ones because it has leather in the toe box right here. The men's size and women's sizes normally has nylon. I kind of prefer the leather. These are going for $70 as well. Got a few on sale. Those regular price at $100. The Air Max 97s normally $150 or $160. These are down to $100. Not too bad. Not too bad. I think in my opinion, the white part kind of kills it, but it's not bad. Yeah, see, this is the women's pair right here. It does have nylon. Kind of like the kid size better. This is going for $80 here, while the friend goes for regular price at $120. We saw these a little bit cheaper, $100. Not too bad because they normally are what, $150 or $160. All right, everything else kind of the same stuff we've seen. So we're gonna wrap it up. Go to the next stop. Damn, it's packed here, you guys. It's freaking packed. All right, Foot Locker. Next stop. Let's see what's up. We are at the register. Doing the pickup. We'll take a look at those in a sec. Take a look at it real quick. Oh no, it looks like this box is like extra big. I don't know. Maybe this is all the boxes. But yeah, we got them in hand. Make sure it's a decent copy. Yeah, these are dope, dude. These are dope. I'm a fan. One of the OG colorways. And it's dope. This is new. A little sale rack, but yeah, pretty much I'll have all the KDs, all the Kyries. Pretty much they're all on sale for $79.99. Damn, dude. Even the Kyries right there. That's crazy. Dang, nice. Do have deals at Adidas as usual. Got some of the Ultra Boosts on sale, and then got some of them on sale big time. Look, $70. We've seen that for $7 for quite some time. Also seen these on sale for $70 as well. Yeah, these are dope, dude. These are the Ultra Boost 2019. Super comfy, dude. Super comfy. And then got these on sale as well. We just saw these at the last mall we went to. Okay, right. And then got these, the chromes. These chromes are actually pretty decent. I saw someone wear them. And yeah, these are dope, dude. $70, man. $70. And then yeah, they got these. I don't know what country this is. No, this isn't one of the country ones. It's kind of like a USA colorway or something. I don't know. All right. So I guess this is on sale at a lot of the places, man. They call these the Michael Johnsons. And these are dope, dude. The Air Max 90, the Air Max 97s. I just don't think I got the style to pull it off. I'm just not dope enough. You got another colorway of the Air Max Camdens. We saw, was it the white ones earlier? These are going for 50 bucks as well. These are pretty dope. Like I said, not very comfortable, but I just love Air units. I don't know. Usual suspects on sale. The Air Max 200s perennially on sale, down to $34.90. Down to $34.99, dude. That's crazy, man. Cheaper than the outlets, bro. I usually gravitate towards the signatures, but look, the Jordan Defy is going for 60 bucks. Yeah, that's not bad, dude. That's not bad. If you're not dealing with the Jordan head, I think a lot of people would be happy with 60 bucks. They do have a shattered backboard colorway as well with shade, with sail, and with that starfish in the back. Okay. All right, 60 bucks. Pegasus on sale. Zoom Gravities. No, I know it's not all React, but it does have Zoom. It looks like Zoom Air. And yeah, these are going for $30. These are huge though, man. These are probably like a size 13. And that shoe seems to make your feet look even bigger. Nike basketball, we've seen all kinds of this stuff on sale already. So I think we're gonna wrap it up. Did pick up my pair, maybe stop by one other store and then wrap it up. On feet, you guys, I am wearing, it's like super dark where I'm at. Dang, holy crap. Yeah, I'm wearing the cap and gowns, you guys, cap and gown 11s. Man, these are like one of my favorite pair of my collection, Jordan 11s. Only worn them a few times, so no creases on the patent leather, because it does happen. Oh, there is a small crease on them. Holy crap. I've probably worn these, what, 5-6 times? Dang. Alright, I think this video is getting a little bit long. We're going to stop by JD Sports for like 2 minutes. Oh, wait, there's a big line. Nah, you know what? We're going to wrap it up. I don't feel like waiting in line. I've already gone to places, and they haven't had that many sales anyway. So, yeah, we're going to wrap it up, you guys. Let's wrap it up.